Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being there. So what is VOSKER? VOSKER is a security mobile surveillance platform that is enabling people to do something that they were not able to do prior to our project being deployed. So you see a platform and a camera. Our cameras work where others don't. So typically for a camera to work, you need to have access to a Wi-Fi or a wired connection, and you need an electrical power supply, which there are a lot of places where you don't have access to these two things. One great example of that is a construction site, for example. When you're building something, you don't have access to a Wi-Fi available. Neither don't you have access to an electricity power supply. So this is where our project comes in. We have a cellular connected device working on LTE network using solar power and a battery inside of it to basically monitor what matters to you. We founded the business in 2018, and we started selling at the first year. We made $15 million in revenue. Nowadays, 4 years later, we are heading toward 200 millions. We've won a couple of awards because of our growth, our culture, and the way we operate. Some of them you may know, like the Globe and Mail. We've won that 3 times now. The EY Entrepreneurship Summit as well, and the Fast 50 of Deloitte. We do have a lot of numbers to show, but I already mentioned to you that we are heading towards 200 million. What's another impressive figure is the number of users that we do have in our platform. Nowadays, we have over 700,000 users, and these users have deployed and are using more than 1.4 million devices every day. The way we've reached all these clients is mainly through all our channel of sales and distribution. One of them, and well, the massive one, is the retail industry, where we're selling the most of our devices. We have partners like Walmart, Canadian Tire, Home Hardware, and then you've got all the other channels, which are distributor, like big security distributor, and then we do direct-to-consumer as well as .com websites, such as Walmart.com, HomeDepot.com, and all the above. As of today, we are in 8,000 point of sales across North America. We sell 90% of our revenue, or I would say 85% of our revenue are coming from the US alone. 10% is the rest of the world, and the rest is Canada. These are the various sectors where we are deploying our projects, so vacation home, construction site, agricultural farmland, parking lots monitoring, and commercial sites. We are basically changing the world one camera at a time. My speech is ending, and if you want to learn more about VOSKER, please feel free to come and see me tomorrow at 2 p.m. at Growth Summit. Thank you all.